I'm Yannick Franken, Regional Sales Manager Dramix at Bekaert Sustainable Construction. Today we are here in the heart of Antwerp at Van Laar's construction site for the new SD Worx headquarters. Bekaert is a global leader in steel wire transformation and coating technologies. We provide solutions that boost performance and sustainability across industries. Our Sustainable Construction division develops steel fiber reinforcement like Dramix that makes concrete stronger, more durable and lower in carbon footprints.
Hi, I'm Thomas Quirene, Project Manager at Van Laar. Van Laar is a Class H general contractor specialized in offices, residential, but also in civil engineering works. The coming years we are building the head office of SD Worx in Antwerp on behalf of our client Works Invest. It's an office building consisting of 4 underground parking lot levels and 11 floors above ground.
Hi, I'm Timo Blauert, Technical Manager at Bekaert Sustainable Construction. The foundation of this application uses a hybrid solution, combining steel mesh with Dramix steel fibers. The benefit is that it improves durability, crack controlling, reduce the conventional steel use, lower the CO2 while speeding up the construction. The Dramix 4D steel fibers strengthen the concrete, ensuring the water tightness class 1.
To ensure quality on site, we work with certified ready-mix partners and we make use of our Dramix glued fiber technology for consistent quality. For critical pours like this one, we use our ID device to check the fiber distribution. This certified tool instantly measures the concrete homogeneity and it generates BNR compliant reports to ensure reliable results.
So today we are casting phase of the foundation slab where we have collaborated with Bekaert from in design phase to look at it and optimize it regarding the speed of work, reduce rebar and of course make sure that it's watertight.